It all started with this video, the process of producing silage for chickens, and it left me wondering, is this even true? So, as a professional poultry feed formulation vet, I decided to do my research. In my dairy production lessons in veterinary school, I remember my professor teaching me about use of silage in sustainable dairy farming. But silage in chickens? This caught me off guard. So, in this video, I'm excited to be sharing with you everything I found out during my research and what you need to know about silage making for chickens, if it really works, and whether you should or should not use it. For you watching this video and doesn't even know or have an idea of what silage is, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible. Silage is fresh green fodder like grass or corn that is chopped up and stored in an airtight container called a silo. It is tightly packed to remove all oxygen, causing it to ferment and become like pickled food for animals. In dairy farming, silage is one of the most nutritious feeds used for more milk production from the cows, and it's usually made up of largely napier grass, maize, or corn stalks. But these cannot be used in chickens. Unlike dairy cows, chickens have simple stomach which needs simpler ingredients that they can be able to digest. That is why we use banana tree stem. I'll give you more on how to prepare the banana stem and the other ingredients to use for the best quality chicken silage in a minute. You see, majority of indigenous chicken farmers I have worked with pay full price for commercial feeds, while a feed ingredient like the banana tree that we are going to talk about in this video is sitting in their compound going to waste. That is why, with the complete formula that I'm going to share with you, you'll be able to understand what is inside the banana stem, why fermentation is the step that unlocks everything, and the specific mixing ratios you need to feed it correctly to your chickens for more production and faster growth for your chickens. And if you are new here, I am Isaac, and this is Agribusiness Insider. We are almost at 250,000 farmers on this channel, and our mission is simple. We help farmers run a profitable organic poultry farm. Help us meet our 250,000 subscriber goal by hitting the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you are notified when we release another education video just like this one. Also, feel free to drop your location in the comments below and like the video. And now back to what we are talking about. Before I walk you through the chicken silage formula, I am 100% convinced that farmers who understand why they do what they do on the farm have a better chance of running a successful farm and making a profit, and that has been my goal in each and every video. Therefore, why are we making silage for chickens, and why are we using banana stem? I want you to understand what is actually inside the banana stem, because once you see what is in there, you will never look at this stem the same way again. Raw banana stem is approximately 90 to 92% water. Inside that moisture is a nutritional profile that includes crude fiber, approximately 3 to 5% crude protein, vitamins, and meaningful minerals. It also contains significant natural antioxidant compounds. On paper, that looks useful, and it is. But here is the problem that most farmers who have tried raw banana stem already know. Raw stem also contains tannins and anti-nutritional compounds that, in their unprocessed form, partially block mineral absorption, reduce digestibility, and make the chicken ignore feeding on the banana stem. In plain language, the nutrition is there, but it is locked away. The key that unlocks all this good stuff is fermentation. There is no silage making without fermentation, and chicken silage is not any different. And knowing how to do this on your own on the farm is very helpful. And that is why we created a course for farmers who actually want to cut feed costs. With the poultry feed formulation course, you get 5 practical modules, an Excel-based software with 80 plus preloaded ingredients that instantly generates balanced feed formulas for your flock, and also you get an 8 step-by-step video tutorials so you never get stuck. So for limited time, check out the 15% discount link in the description below to get lifetime access to the course and the whole software and get extra free consultations. You see, when you add a carbohydrate source, that is molasses or sugar, and seal the chopped, crushed banana stem in an airtight container, just as like the silage that is usually made in the dairy farming, and allow lactic acid bacteria to go to work, something remarkable happens inside that bucket. Those bacteria consume the available sugars and produce lactic acid and other organic acids, and this acid environment is what makes the chicken silage one of the best supplements to your chickens, and you will see why. Research on fermented banana material in backyard chicken diets confirm tannins reduction of up to 97% through fermentation, and these tannins are the ones that bind nutrients, making it hard for the chickens to digest the feed and absorb it. That means almost every lock that was keeping the minerals and protein trapped inside the stem is gone after fermentation, and the calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium your birds need for strong eggshells and healthy bones is now fully available for absorption. The second thing is that the fermentation partially breaks down the crude fiber, making the stem softer, more digestible, and dramatically more palatable. This is why indigenous birds eat fermented banana stem with real happiness and enthusiasm, while they would reluctantly peck at raw stem in small amounts. And the third thing is that it generates prebiotic fiber compounds and live probiotic microorganisms that actively colonize and strengthen the gut lining of your birds after every single feeding. And this, think of probiotics as the security team inside your bird's digestive system. They crowd out the pathogens and these disease-causing bacteria that before even they establish themselves and cause disease. And number 4 is that the organic acids produced during fermentation lower the pH of the stored fermented silage itself, suppressing molds and pathogens that may grow, therefore helping to extend the shelf life of the silage. And what you end up with after 7 days of fermentation is not banana stem anymore. It is a live, probiotic-rich, highly digestible feed ingredient that your bird's systems recognize and utilize efficiently from the first bite. What does it do in your chickens? The first benefit is disease resistance and gut immunity, and this is one that alone can save your entire season. The organic acids produced during fermentation lower the pH of the digestive environment inside your bird's gut. Here's what that means in plain language. Pathogens like Salmonella, E. coli, and Clostridium that cause diseases that kill flocks cannot survive in low pH environment. They are prevented from establishing themselves in the first place, and this results to a gut microbiome that is more resistant to diseases, more efficient at absorbing nutrients, and more capable of supporting immune function across every stress event your birds face. The second benefit is stronger, bigger, better quality eggs, and this is where backyard layer farmers need to pay close attention. The banana stem is a meaningful source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Before fermentation, tannins are partially blocking the absorption of these minerals. After fermentation destroy the tannins, these minerals become fully bioavailable and reach your hen's shell gland intact. The direct result is measurably harder eggshells, heavier eggs, fewer cracked eggs at the market, and less financial loss per tray. That is a direct quantifiable improvement in your income per cycle. But there is a second egg benefit that goes straight to your market price, and that is because banana tissue contains natural carotenoids, pigments that deepen the color of the yolks, and this makes some of the customers who relate that with quality to like your eggs even more. And the third benefit is that it improves feed conversion, meaning you get more growth, more eggs, and more performance from every kilogram of commercial feed you already buy. The fourth benefit is direct, immediate, measurable feed cost reduction. When you ferment and mix the crushed stem with maize bran at a ratio of 2 parts banana stem to 1 part commercial feed, you are extending your bought feed to go for more days without going back to the shop. And for every 10 kilograms of commercial feed you currently buy, this system allows you to feed the equivalent of 30 kilograms of total feed ration. Now, how do we prepare the banana stem chicken silage? To make sure that I did not miss out on something, as most of you have been asking about written formulas to the recipes I give in these videos, here is a well-detailed procedure that is easy to understand and one that you can pause the video and note it down or even take a screenshot and keep it for use and reference in the future. I'll also attach the file to the formula in the description of this video for you to download and store it in your device. After making the silage, you are going to mix it with the feeds, and when mixing it with the feeds, use the ratio of 1:2 every time. 1 part fermented banana stem silage mixture to 2 parts of your normal commercial feeds. For indigenous and backyard meat birds and ducks, the tolerance for higher inclusion is greater. You can build up to 50% of the total daily feed volume with fermented banana stem once birds are fully accustomed to it over 2 or 3 weeks. Always introduce it gradually and not at once. Start at 10 to 15% in week 1 and increase slowly as the gut microbiome adapts. And if this video gave you value, remember we have an organic poultry farming ebook covering over 45 natural feed supplements and treatments with exact dosages, step-by-step preparation, which you can get through the link in the description. Click the next video where I show you another supplement that will take your hens to another production level. Click it here and I will see you there. Cheers.